What's going on, guys? Galaxy Keeper. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Qiyi Wuchui 4x4, the Qiyi Wushuang 5x5, the Qiyi Wuhua version 2 6x6, and the Qiyi Wuji 7x7, all in stickerless. So, I don't know where to start since this is basically Christmas Day for me. I guess we could get started from, go smallest to biggest, so we have the Qiyi Wuchui pamphlet. This all came from the cubicle.us, so yeah, that's pretty cool. So, the satisfaction of opening packaging. So, it's the first turns. Okay, it's very swishy. It's obviously not as good because it's like out of the box. It's fast, but it's very scratchy. Yeah, it's very scratchy. Yeah, I'm not really that happy with it because right now, but yeah, trying to. It feels like it's getting better. Yeah, Wuchui 4x4. Next, we have the Qiyi Wushuang 5x5. Okay, let's see. I gotta expect this to be. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is really good. This is probably gonna be my main over the Bochuang, which I still haven't made a video on. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, this is really good. Some of the layers feel very sandy, but the layers stick together. Oh, it's tight. I need to loosen it up. Bro, 3x3 stage is gonna be so easy to do, like, for real. 3x3 stage is gonna be so easy. Yeah, these inner layers feel kind of sandy and they catch a lot. But wow, this feels really nice. And this is probably gonna be my main over the Bochuang. Next, let's get on to the Wuhua version 2. Now I'm very excited for this. And like, this is my first 6x6. I never had a 6x6. And it's very easy. Again, it's kind of heavy for a 6x6, but super first turns. Oh my gosh, I am easily impressed. It's very looby and greasy. It's kind of weird because I had packaging over it, but my gosh, this is so good. Yeah, it just feels amazing. This feels really good. It's really loose. It's no, it's not really loose, but yeah. Yeah, people have been saying that the triple layers suck. Yeah, that's probably because they do. So yeah, Wuhua 6x6 is gonna be my main, obviously, because it's my only 6x6. And then last, the most exciting thing I'm for, the Qiyi Wuji 7x7. I am so excited for this. Like, I cannot. Oh, kind of the camera. I am so excited for this. Oh, it's amazing. Oh, it's so tight though. All these puzzles are very tight. They're all very small puzzles. So yeah, this is. Oh, it's not too good right now out of the box, but it just needs to be broken in. But my gosh, this is so good. So yeah, I don't have a 7x7 or a 6x6, so I guess these are my new mains. all these are probably gonna become my main. Yeah, Qiyi Wuji 7x7. What I also got with this is this. It's this, the Qiyi cube bag. So I also got this. And yeah, let me just move some packaging out of the way. So yeah, I got this. It's gonna be filled with my mains and stuff. So yeah, that's really cool. We're not gonna move on for that. So thank you for watching my unboxing of basically all of Qiyi's big cubes. So yeah, this is all of the Qiyi big cubes. Thanks for watching this unboxing. And also, there's another thing I need to say. I will be I will be filming an unboxing of all the Christmas cubes I got. So so I will be including these also. So don't look out for that video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.